Hey fans, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your data using ChatGPT that is including your pictures, your chat history, the whole thing. Why we like to do this is so you can have a download of all your content, or if you want to keep it just for your own records, you can move it to another provider, or you can use it as your knowledge base. And in my experience, as of April 2026, it's better for you to use it in external source, external database, or external place that you store your information. And with the AI draw it back from it, it's more reliable, in my opinion. But in the future, this could actually change because there is been rumors that ChatGPT 6 could be better with the memory, but we don't have it yet. So this is a workaround that I actually find pretty useful. But without further ado, I just want to tell you more about myself before we head over to the desktop. I'm being shown people who are new to first and fell behind videos on YouTube and for Roscoe months. And if you're in Canada and you fell behind and you're neurodiverse, the information to contact me and work with me is in the description. So if you're interested in getting personalized instructions on how to use AI, it's there. Anyway, let's head over to the desktop so I can show you how to export your data. So with this chatgpt.com, the sidebar is open. So you, in my case, but you may not have that. So I'll show you where it is. So you have that option. You close the sidebar like that. You can open it when you go over to the logo. It says open sidebar. So that's how you have that option. You have new chat, search chats, codecs, more, GPTs, which is another video, projects is another video, and this would be chats. But all the way down here is my name. So, and that's where we want to go. So click it. The menu pops up. We want to go to settings. In my case right now, general is being selected. We want to go to personal controls. Sorry, data controls. At the very bottom is just export your data. So click there. And more or less what this is saying is the details of all your chats will be included in the export. It will be sent to your email that we have on file. After we send it to you, you have 24 hours. And this process may take some time because, in my case, I have used ChatGPT for extensively, and I have given it pictures. It made pictures for me. There's a lot of data there. So, and when you do export it, it can be quite large. And there is ways for people to I had to use something called Notepad, and it can handle it. But if you are familiar with codecs and CLI, which is Marvets, you can extract that data from the file they give you. But that's a little bit more advanced, and that's beyond this topic for this video today. If you're interested in it, you don't know how to do that. If there's enough people interested in this, like we've commented on this video saying, I want to know more about how you do this. I might make a video in the future. Anyway, after you click confirm export, it will do what it does in the background. It takes 1 or 2 seconds, and I need to find my email, and this is my email, and I get the code, but I have done this previously. So I'll show you after I got that code. So this is my email from February 26th of this year, 2026. So after you get your code in your email, I'm not going to show you how you do that. I'm going to session, you know how to do that. But you can click the, we set you the data, and it's ready for you to click the download button. So click the button, and this has been expired, but it'll activate a download. You can download it to wherever you want on your desktop. And from there, you can open it up, and there's pictures and there's your chat history. Pictures are, you can just open up as regular pictures. But your chat history is all put into one file, and can be quite large. And in my case, when I tried it with Notepad, it was just too much. It couldn't load it. So I use, like I said, Chat GPT, not GPTs, but GPT Codex model to decode it, and I'm actually going to switch over to my face. Decode it, well, not decode it, but break it apart and make it into sections where it can, my computer can handle it. Like I said, if there's people who are interested, please leave a comment in the description, in the video comment area, and you want to know more. And if I may or may not make a video on how you do that, because it is a little bit more advanced. But if you know how to use something called your command line, or you know DOS, you can. There's things that you can do about it. But anyway, that's outside the scope of a particular video. But if you are interested in doing something like that, you can export it to other providers. So all that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you are interested in working with me, my information is in the description below, and have a good day.